MeghalayaPost.news.
Meghalaya used car dealers. One check Meghalaya used car dealers abadon hamotrum nompo riboy desing. Kajakal kabakila bantit di batkeliang yajan baro gijajli hagador kababil. Yawan manshim kabu bat bampin babe. Naga benta gajintip kabakambanya hila banpun hakineki number room. Highway lai art lai new way. Lane ranyo dai sau san nyuk nai riu non lane dai lai riu dai pra san. Haka Sngi Kyrpang Nonghikai ni kata ke Teachers Day ke Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Rakhe Kyrpang ya kasi Nonghikai pada kajuk opor kelayo ruban Rakhe lalu kejingyo nam ke Skulbah USTM haka bah kesin ke besau lenter bakal Rung Haka Thup jo ke arspa teli ke skul ke riushment bat ke biang Tam India Kajir ke jong ke Skulbah USTM kadai namar badi tang katehi ke Skulbah nasyate lamingi haka bakal Rung haka kerdan basis pak santuwe na ke arspa teli ke Skulbah jong ke riushment ke biang Tam India kata kat kum ke pot jong ke National Institutional Ranking Framework hajarusan jong ke tenat kuliah putih ke sarkar India kajirung ke Skulbah USTM haka te ketup kadai na ke jing biang haka kum aji kai sia ke kena kum buatnya kajing don ke semla bapas ba lem riwe Haka te kesingi belar ke kesingi ni kai baru belalek kemen halor ketika 6 ke balayo dag USTM lasaki dag jindon lang uma babul hak chancellor ke USTM profesor Jadi Sharma vice chancellor Nonghikai ki semla pule berkuwe leng bajong ketika kesingi nakaliang ke Skulbah USTM nalor bagilar ke kesingi Nonghikai kilayo ro ben kubrom ya gitu ki profesor bat ya Nonghikai belano kerta
150 to 200. Next year, we must go up, and that is possible, that will be possible. But the leadership already has given, but the faculty and all those most importantly the students. How you protect yourself, how much hard work you can do. And now we know that we have other institutions in Bollywood that place on International Medical College. We have already getting the attention for the second best this time. And all of us joining people that definitely we will be able to make it a much bigger, much better ranking in the next step. That is what we have to do. For everything, again, we need a leadership. A single man, the censor cannot do anything. He can only guide us, and this has to be done by all of us. The faculty is there, the students are there, the other staff who are related to the institute has to work very hard to bring the institute up. And that is what exactly we must also celebrate, also we must remind ourselves about the challenges we have in the future. And we are very lucky that we are very part of this institute. And we all are very lucky that we are part of this big institute which is creating names not only for the state of Meghalaya, the Northeast, and the entire country, because private universities in London is not going to be very critical.
You see, you have seen the large number of teachers. We have nearly 500 faculty members, including our medical college, Ayurvedic college, pharmacy college. So, teachers are the spirit behind. Many intellectuals used to tell that teachers are the architect of the society. So, teachers are the main transforming agent in any educational institution. They build the institution. It is not that management will have a very beautiful building and automatically there will be an institution. It must be transformed, and the transformation takes place in any educational institution because of the teachers. So it is our message to the teachers today. You have seen, I was telling that they must be inspiring to the students community and they must give the vision to the students. And one student, they will be going to the society, there will be a transformation. So that is the only message today I have given, and this message also I am conveying to all the teachers of the world, teachers of the community. We have decided that we must have a more commitment. We must have a more commitment in the coming days, and we will be working hard. And this message also we are giving to the students community that you work hard, show the result, and excellence has no enemy. If you are a good doctor, patient will come to you. If you are a good engineer, people will come for design. So if you are a good institution, students will come to you. So we have to, only one mission we have, that we have to achieve excellence. We must have a very outstanding grading, and we want to make a global community here in the state of Meghalaya, that if Oxford, Cambridge and all big institutions, then they can make their legacy. Why USTM cannot make legacy? I cannot make my legacy because I have a limited age. I may be 60, 70 and then I'll die. But an institution will remain forever. So one institution will be achieving the excellence. It will have a great future and it will guide the entire generation, the coming generation of the society. People are behind. People of Meghalaya, people of Northeast, people of the country, they love these institutions. So once the people love, that I am meaningless. So once people are supporting the institutions, students are joining. You know, more than 1,800 students already joined. Once our Ayurvedic admission and MBBS admission will be over, it will cross 2,500. So it is more than enough. Some comments that we are preparing our students to be a global citizen. So our students will be acceptable anywhere in the country, anywhere in the globe, if they are competent enough. If we are producing a very good doctor, he will be acceptable anywhere. So why you will be bothering for the job now? We are more concerned that whether we can produce good human resource acceptable for the society. That is more important.
MeghalayaPost.news